Chainsaw Man Chapter 186 Release Date. According to Shueisha's official manga reader website, the next Chainsaw Man chapter releases on Tuesday, December 10th, at 7 a.m. Pacific Time, PT. Chainsaw Man Chapter 186 Launch Date Time Zone. Tuesday, December 10/time. JST. 11 p.m. GMT +8. 10 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. Central Time, 9 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, Western European Time. 2 p.m. Central European Time, 5 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. 7:30 p.m. Where to read the Chainsaw Man manga. Chainsaw Man is available on the official Viz Media website, which offers all released chapters under a monthly $2 subscription. The first 3 chapters and chapters 183 to 185 are available for free accounts. It's also on Manga Plus, Shueisha's globally available manga reader.